In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the headlight switch on your GMC K1500. This will be located behind the dash. Let's get started. Remove our dash piece, get your fingers behind it, and gently start pulling out. We're going to put the key in, pull the gear selector all the way down, we're going to twist it up and out so we have access to the back of our switch. On the back of our switch, we're going to push on this push button right here. Push on the button and remove the connector. There's going to be two tabs on either side. In our case, I lifted up on the two tabs with these two fingers and pushed out in the front and was able to remove it without touching the other side. Install the new switch. Push it into place. You'll hear all four tabs click in. Install the connector. Be sure that it clicks into place. And reinstall the trim piece. Pushing it back into place. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.